Hello, and welcome to today's session where we're diving into the world of genetic technologists. If you're preparing for an interview in this fascinating field, you're into the right place. Let's jump right in and explore how you can shine in your interview, starting with teamwork. Can you share a story about a successful project where you and your team worked together on a genetic analysis? This question is all about understanding how well you collaborate with others, especially in scientific settings where teamwork is crucial. Here are some tips to help you prepare your answer. Pick a specific project that stands out. Clearly explain your role and how you contributed. Discuss any challenges you faced and how you overcame them as a team. Mention the tools or techniques you used. Wrap up with the project's impact or outcome. Let's look at an example. Answer to help inspire your own.
In my last project, I collaborated with a team on whole genome sequencing for rare disease samples. My main role was DNA extraction and managing data analysis using bioinformatics tools. We initially struggled with data quality, but by enforcing strict protocols, we enhanced our results. This led to identifying a novel mutation crucial for patient diagnosis.
By the way, we're only covering a handful of questions in this video, but I've prepared a free PDF with all 30 top interview questions for genetic technologists. It also includes example answers and tips to help you prepare with confidence. The download link is just below. Tell me about a time when you faced a significant challenge during an experiment. How did you tackle it? Here, the interviewer wants to gauge your problem-solving skills and how you handle setbacks in your work. To craft a strong response, consider these pointers. Select an experiment with a clear challenge. Describe the nature of the challenge. Detail the steps you took to resolve it. Highlight the result and what you learned. Link your experience to the role you're applying for. Check out this example to see how you might structure your answer.
In a genetic analysis project, I found contamination in my samples, leading to inconsistent results. I identified the contamination source, adjusted protocols to stricter aseptic techniques, and repeated the experiment. This not only fixed the issue but also improved reliability. I learned the importance of meticulous sample handling, essential for a genetic technologist.
Have you ever led a project or team? How did you ensure everyone was performing effectively? This question assesses your leadership and management abilities within a project setting. Consider these strategies when formulating your response. Reflect on a specific project where you led. Explain your communication strategies. Discuss how you tracked progress and performance. Talk about managing challenges or conflicts. Conclude with the project's outcome and your takeaways. Here's an example answer that effectively communicates leadership.
As a lab supervisor, I led a project to develop a new genetic testing protocol. I organized regular meetings for clear communication and deadlines. Using a shared project tool, I monitored progress and provided support as needed. We finished ahead of schedule, boosting our testing efficiency by 30%.
If you discovered a potentially harmful but not fully understood genetic mutation, how would you discuss it with your supervisors? This question evaluates your ethical considerations and communication skills in sensitive situations. When planning your response, keep these points in mind. Clearly present your findings and supporting data. Emphasize implications for patient care and research. Propose a collaborative discussion for further investigation. Be open to questions and concerns. Document findings for ongoing reference. Let's explore an example to guide your own answer.
I would present the data clearly, highlighting the potential risks of the mutation. I'd emphasize its relevance to patient care and suggest further team exploration to ensure comprehensive understanding.
Imagine you're juggling multiple experiments with overlapping deadlines. How would you determine your priorities? This question is about understanding your time management skills and ability to handle multiple tasks efficiently. Here are some strategies to consider. List all experiments and their deadlines to visualize your workload. Identify crucial tasks impacting experiment outcomes. Use a priority matrix to categorize tasks by urgency and importance. Communicate with your team for task delegation if necessary. Regularly reassess priorities as deadlines near or experiments progress. See how this example, answer effectively, addresses the question.
I would start by listing all experiments and deadlines. Then, I'd identify which tasks are critical to success. Using a priority matrix, I'd focus on urgent and important tasks first, delegating where possible and keeping communication open.
Before we wrap up, remember you can get all 30 questions, example answers, and step-by-step tips in a handy PDF. Totally free, just grab it below.